Hi guys, in this video we are going to evaluate Nifty performance. So we will see what has happened since mid of May till mid of July in Nifty. Okay, so here are the forecasted dates. Okay, so you can pause and note these dates. Then these are the dates from mid June to mid July. Okay, so you can pause and watch these, write these dates. Uh, I will start now how what has happened on these dates. I will show you on this chart. Okay, so let's see. So it was 15th of May as a low. So I will mark it 15th of May as a low, and then we have 18th of May, which is Monday, as a high. So 15th I have marked as low, and then 18th as a high. So before this I have covered the forecast performance in my previous video that you can watch. Okay, so then after 18th, the date is 22nd or 25th, which is a Friday or a Monday. It is going to be a low. So 19th, 20, 21st, 22nd. So 22nd is a good low. And after this, what is happening? Uh, then 29th or 1st of June. So 29th is Friday and 1st of June is Monday. So if you have seen my webinar, I have talked about whenever there is a date around Friday or Monday, we need to assume if the date is on Friday, we will also have to take in consideration Monday, and if the date is on Monday, we will also take probability of having a high or low on Friday. Okay, so let's see what is happening on 29th or 1st. So this is 29th, and then first we have a high. After that we have a 4th as our low. Let's see, this is 3rd, this is 4th. So 4th is our low, no problem. After 4th as a low, we have 12th Friday as a high. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So it could be 12th, it could be 11th. So it can be plus minus one day. Let's see what is happening after 12th. It is 16th as a low. So let's see what is happening on 16th. 16 as a low, we have it here. Okay, so now after this 16th, we have 23rd as our high. 23rd of June, 22nd, 23rd. So it could be this or this. Let's see, this one is looking better. Okay, so either of these dates we can take. Okay, so after 23rd, 1st of July as a low. 29th, 31st. So 1st of July is our low. So in case few people might be thinking that why we have not taken this as a low, or some people might be thinking why we have not taken this as a high, you can watch my previous videos where I have told that these tops and bottoms are coming from some other cycle. Although our cycle is able to catch most of the turns, but a few of these turns are not catched by this cycle. Okay, so after first, we have 3rd July as our high. So 3rd is a Friday, so even 3rd or then Monday could also be taken. So what is happening after 6th? We have so after 3rd of July, which has fallen on 6th, we have 9th. So 8th is there, 9th is there. So we can take either 8th, we can take 9th. Okay, so I am taking 8th. Even if I take 9th, no problem. Let's see. Then what has happened here? Next date is 17th. Okay, next date is after this date. Next date is 17th, which has to be a high. Okay, so 17th has to be high, but what has happened is that there has been an inversion. Okay, so 17th, which was to be a high, I am taking it as a low. And so what is happening here? 17th I have taken as a low. Here we have had a inversion. Okay, so inversion has been on 13th or 10th. Because of weekend we can't take it on the exact date because of Saturday and Sunday. So what I am doing is I have marked on 13th. So inversion has happened here, and then after this, okay, so till this date 17th I have covered. Okay, so what is happening? So few people might be thinking, why should we take 17th? We can even take 16th. So plus minus 1 day is very much acceptable. Okay, so this is what has happened with Nifty. Okay, so right now we are in the mid of July. I have been making this forecast from mid of the month. So now what I have done is I have shifted it to the uh, starting of the month. So what I have done this time, I have made a forecast of 1.5 months. So from 15th of July till end of August. Okay, so although some time has passed, I think a week has passed. The link, discounted link is below in the description. You can watch that. Also, all these forecasts which you are seeing, I am showing you for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty are available for free now. The past forecasts which I have which have passed, they are available for free. You can download them, okay, and watch. Thanks for watching. Bye.